Not being taught how to braid made it very hard to do my own hair growing up. Not even my own mom knew how to braid, so I had to teach myself in middle school. Knowing how to braid can be very beneficial to both men and women. Reasons you might want to know how to do this is because one day you'll have a kid of your own and maybe they'll want to have their own hair done. Or maybe you want to make some extra money because there are always times when people need their hair done. Either it's for a wedding or for prom, and if you do it well enough, you can get a lot of money for that. So today I'm going to teach you 3 simple braids: the regular braid, the French braid, and the fishtail braid. So first I'm going to start with the regular braid. You want to separate your hair into 3 different sections, or for you guys, the string that I provided for you. So you put it into 3 different sections, all equal. And then you start with the right side and put it over the middle strand. Then you take the left side and put it over the new middle strand. And then once again, you take the right side over the middle, and then the left side over the middle. You do that all the way down the hair. And if your person that you're braiding has layers, it'll be hard to keep the hair all together, but it'll be fine in the end. So then when you're done with the simple braid, it'll look something like that. This is a good hairstyle just to throw back when you need your hair out of your face, maybe. Just a very simple hairstyle. Next, I'm going to teach how to do the French braid. You could either start the French braid at the hairline right here, or you can start it at the crown of the head. So I'm going to start hers right here. You want to take a little section in the middle part of their hair, just like this. You separate that piece into 3 even strands, like just before. You take the right strand over the middle, just like we're doing a regular braid, left strand over the middle. Now, when you go to start on the right side again, you add a piece of hair from the right side and put that over the middle again. So then, when you do the left side, you add hair from the left onto that strand and put it in this, and then you put it over the middle. Then, like before, you add to the right side, over the middle, and then left side, over the middle. You do this until all the hair is done. You just keep going over the middle strand like you do for a regular braid. And then once you get down to the hair where you can't add enough, you just do a regular braid like we did before. So since there's no more hair, I'm going to do a regular braid like the first one we did. Go all the way down. And this would be where you tie it off. And then your French braid should look something like that. You see how it starts all the way at the top instead of just starting down here? So that's how it is. Doing a French braid is a good braid to do for like an updo for a wedding or a prom. I did one in my hair to show you guys. So that's a lot of braids that go into prom hairstyles. And lastly, probably the easiest braid I think is the fishtail braid. So for the fishtail braid, you take all the hair and divide it into 2 sections. So you start on the right side, you take a little bit like this, and you put it over and add it to the left side. Then you take everything on the left side, take a little bit on the outside, put it over and into the right section. Take a little piece over here, add it to the left, a little piece over here, add it to the right. You keep doing that over and over until you have no more hair to add. And then once you get to the end, you won't have enough hair to keep adding because it's going to get into such little sections. You could either keep trying to fishtail braid or just do a regular braid. So right now I'm just going to take big sections so you guys can see what it'll look like. And then when you're done, it'll look something like that. So today I taught you how to do 3 simple braids, including the regular braid, the French braid, and the fishtail braid.